Today we're going to make this very cute reindeer bear or reinbear. If you follow the same steps that I do for this piece, you're going to need polymer clay in these colors and acrylic paint. Most of my clay pieces start off with a sketch. This helps me anticipate the shapes and colors I'll need to make. For example, I started off with this bow off to the side, and then later on I decided it would look best in the middle. For this piece, I decided to use mostly white clay, and then I would paint the brown of the reindeer suit later. So I rolled the white clay into an egg-like shape. Then I carved the circle that would be the opening for the bear's face. Rolled a little ball and made it the snout. Then I rolled and cut up tiny little pieces of black clay for the eyes and nose. To make the ears, I created two balls and then made them into somewhat semicircle shapes and then created an indent for the curve of the ear. To create reindeer antlers, I just cut two cylindrical pieces, one shorter than the other, attached them, smoothed it out where the two pieces attached, and then put it on top of the bear's head. I wanted these leaves to look like holly leaves, so we are adding some indentations and adding 3 little berries. This is the part that makes me feel like a dressmaker. We're measuring and fitting the long red ribbon around the bear. And now we're creating the little bow. You don't have to do it quite as 3D as I did. You could make these flat 2D pieces that don't loop the way mine do. I think either way will look just as cute. And we add a little yellow ball, which represents the bell, and I'm going to paint this gold later. Now our reinbear is ready to put in the oven. I'm going to bake it for 275 degrees for 15 minutes. Now that it's out of the oven, I'm sanding it down to remove some dust, but mostly just to smooth down any bumps or fingerprint marks. I'm painting the reindeer suit a light brown, almost tan color. It was a challenge not to paint the white of the polar bear's face by accident, but it just takes a little bit of patience and a really tiny brush. Finally, we get to paint the bell a beautiful gold color. You don't have to do this step, but I wanted to just add a little bit of gradient to the green leaves of the holly. This is also an optional step, but I like to glaze my pieces so that they have a little extra shine. If you want to learn more about what kind of finishings you can do, feel free to check out my Polymer Clay 101 for Beginners video. I hope you enjoyed watching this process. Please let me know in the comments if there's anything else you would like to see in the upcoming year. And also please like this video, and if you know anybody who would love this cute reindeer design, feel free to share it with them. If it's chilly where you are, I hope you stay warm. Wishing you well, and I can't wait to see what you create. Till next time, bye!